Channeling?
Plastic is
Channeling?
what?
Okay. What's your opinion about all this plastic garbage here?
Very dirty.
Very dirty.
Poison to the fish.
Poison to the fish? I appreciate what you're doing. Thank you. Okay?
Okay.
Be careful with the thorns so you don't get cut.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. It's okay to go slowly. It's okay. What do you think of all the garbage?
I think it is bad to the environment.
Bad to the environment.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you, ma'am. What do you think of all this plastic?
Very bad to the population.
Very bad to the population? Yes, and there's a lot. Well, thank you, and take your time. Be careful with the thorns.
No thorns.
No thorns.
Swim over there.
Okay.
With the plastic.
Yeah.